Mondays. Ano nga ba ang Mondays at paano isolve yan? Yan ang isang video natin ngayon. A contractor estimates that he could finish the project in 15 days if he has 20 men. At the start, he hired 10 men. Then after 6 days, 10 more men are added. How many days was the project delayed? Now, here, because we're talking about days and not hours, it's days. So, we have the so-called Mondays. Mondays, means this one usually people are working 8 hours in a day. So here, the contractor estimates that he could finish the project in 15 days. So the required Mondays for 15 days is equal to, so required Mondays is equal to 15 times 20 men is equal to 300 man days. Now, here, what is required is how many days was the project delayed. So now, if we will let X, the number of hours, the number of days, the number of days that 20 people work together, Therefore, see here, at the start, so here for the 15 days, the estimated 15 days, there is by 20 people, so there are required Mondays is 300. Now, at the start, he hired 10 men. So 10 men, at the start, he hired 10 men in 6 days. Then after that one, another 10 more men. So, we have to multiply 10, the 10 people existing plus 10 multiply by X, the number of this, the 20 people, the 10 plus 10 work together is equal to 300 man days. Now, solving all this one, X therefore is equal to 12. So, X which is equal to 12, this is the number of days that 20 people work together. And the beginning is 10 for 6 days, then an additional of 10 on the remaining days. So, this is the Mondays. These people work together till finish. Now, the total number of days, therefore, total number of days is equal to 12 plus 6. Because from the start, there are 6 for 10 people. Now, after that one, when they work together after 6 days, there are 20 people, so it come 12. So 12 plus 6 days is come to 18. 18 days. 18 days total till natapos nila yung project. But originally, the contractor estimated that it could finish at 15 days. So, what is required here is how many days was the project delayed. That means the project, if originally it is estimated to be 15 days finished, so it is delayed by 18 minus 15 is equal to 3 days. So, the project was delayed for 3 days because originally the contractor estimated it to be 15 days only for 20 people now. Because originally the contractor hired only 10, then after 6 days additional 10, so that the total number of days is equal to 12. Then, originally, they work the 10 people for 6 days. So, 12 plus 6, is equal to 18 days. That means, because it is 15 days originally, so 18 minus 15, then the project was delayed for 3 days. Another problem is about two people working together. Working together, two people can design a website in 5 hours. If each work alone, one of them would design the site in 2 hours, less than the other. How long would it take each person to design a website working alone? Now, to solve this one, we will let X the time to finish for the faster person and Y the time to finish for the slower person, and T the time to work together. Therefore, using the formula of 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 1 over the total time they work together. This is individual. The person plus the second person is equal to the total. Therefore, how much the total time they work together is 5 hours, yes. And if each work alone, one of them would design the site in 2 hours. So here, we let the X, which is the faster person. So if he design alone, he can make it in 2 hours, less than the other. So if X working alone, therefore is equal to X is equal to Y minus 2. Kasi less than less than 2 hours than the other. So the other one is the slower person. Therefore, substituting all these values, 1 over Y minus 2 plus 1 over Y, which is equal to the total time, which is equal to 5 hours. Therefore, Y is equal to 11.099 hours. Now, see, we solved the time for the slower person to finish the job, to design the website. Therefore, since there is the value of Y, we can solve x, which is the faster person, is equal to y minus 2 from this. Therefore, 11.099 minus 2 is equal to 9.1 hours. So, for the faster person, x is equal to, which is x, the time is 9.1 hours. And for the slower person, the time is 11.099 hours.